Hello, today is Tuesday, March 17th, and I'm addressing you to give you a brief Corona update. Last week I spoke to you about the uniqueness and the rapidly changing landscape from the coronavirus and the disease called COVID-19. I don't want to repeat what you're hearing through the media, but I want to assure you that we've been preparing for weeks with our health professionals, our emergency management team, and our first responders. And it is our hope that social distancing will flatten out the curve for the coronavirus here in town. While there are no known cases in Ringwood, we assume that it is likely that there are people that have the virus in our community and are not exhibiting symptoms. I am happy to see that our community by and large is really participating in the social distancing that we've recommended. I would, however, like to remind everybody that the borough facilities, including our parks and our playgrounds, are closed. There should be no one assembling to play any type of sports at the borough recreational facilities at all. We're fortunate to live in one of the most beautiful communities in New Jersey, and hiking in the woods with your family and enjoying some natural passive recreation that we have to offer is a good substitute for sports right now. Sadly, all of our restaurants are closed for dine-in. However, many of them are open and available for takeout. I spoke with the Chamber of Commerce yesterday, and they're distributing a list of restaurants through social media who are offering this takeout service. You can view this at the Chamber website at www.ringwoodchamber.com. If you can't get to the supermarket, this is a good way of providing food for your family, as well as a way to support food establishments that have quite frankly supported our organizations for many years. This is people helping people at its best. As a reminder, Borough Hall is closed to the public, but we're responding to phone calls and emails. If you find yourself in some type of crisis or need assistance with food, or some type of supplies, there are people who have offered to help, and we are also here to help. You just have to let us know. It's important that we check on our seniors. I'm not suggesting that you go in the house, but knock on the door, keeping your 6-foot distance, and make sure they're okay and have enough food. Sometimes some of our seniors are reluctant to ask for help, and it's our responsibility to check on them and make sure they're okay. Check out our website to get the most up-to-date information about Ringwood's efforts. The library is also closed to the public, but it is staffed to assist you. If you don't have a library card, they will give you a temporary card so you can access all the information online. Call them if you're unsure how. While all the restrictions and the social distancing have consequences, and these have been tough decisions, we believe that together in the not-so-distant future, we will emerge a stronger community prepared to take on whatever is put in front of us. It was said, and I quote, "In the end, it will be impossible to know if we overreacted or we did too much, but it'll be quite apparent if we underreact or do too little." I think as a community, we can all agree with that statement. In following our guidelines, you are helping us to help you. Ringwood has always been and will continue to be a community that rises to any occasion, and this is no exception. Be well, and I'll talk to you in a couple days.